card. Stickers.
Oh, we can keep the stickers.
Oh, catalog. Catalog or
Oh, that's cool. What's that? Blanket? Yeah. Does it smell like?
It doesn't smell bad.
Oh, it doesn't? Maybe the first time was just bad.
Yeah, it smells like nothing.
Really?
Oh, cool.
Does it smell like? Yeah, this doesn't smell weird. The Halloween fall stuff smelled like rubber or latex, which I'm allergic to, I think. And it bothered me.
Before we put this on the white back.
I think that stuff might smell, but I'm not sure. But yeah. That's why I didn't want it anymore, because it smelled really bad. And it grossed me out. I wound up filming a video, and then I wound up deleting it, I think. Because I was so turned off by it. I didn't know what to say. Or do. Of the fall, like, Halloween things. So I canceled my subscription, but I didn't realize that because I paid for the whole year.
Yeah, so
I'm still getting it.
it's probably maybe it's the truck that it was in.
Oh, it smelled like crap. And that was the reason why I canceled it. That was the main reason. I probably won't renew it because that was $300 of, you know, $300. More greenery. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. Camel.
Christmas stuff. It looks really cool. I want to put all the Halloween stuff away now.
Yeah, I signed up for a subscription box for DECOCRATED, which is like a home decor seasonal subscription box membership thing that I saw this other influencer show on one of her new videos that I watch every now and then. And I thought it was cool until I got my fall box and it smelled so bad. It was like rubber and latex and stuff that I'm probably allergic and sensitive to. That bothered me. And it bothered me so badly, I like canceled it. But then I realized when I got this box and I checked my membership information after canceling it, because I paid for the whole year, I still get what I paid for. They don't give you a refund. They just send you the boxes. And it was like $300. Yeah, and I think.
Put your like hat and gloves in there.
Oh, cool. You can put it in the garage, wherever you want. It's cool. I just didn't like the way the fall stuff smelled.
It's stuff that like the chicken would have put else.
Yeah, and
Oh, they put it in there like that.
yeah,
It's like a waste of a bucket though.
yeah.
I mean, the blanket's just kind of just like a throw blanket. Old, I guess. Or a gifting basket. Oh, okay.
Gift basket.
Oh, that's cool. Put a wreath around it.
Yeah, it's pretty. Maybe we'll put that on the door.
Yeah. This is what I wanted to do for the blankets. The green. Isn't that red thing supposed to be blue for like a Jewish thing?
Are you saying they're anti-Semitic? Do they work for Kanye? What do you think, Thumper? Do they work for Kanye? Who do you work for? Yeah. DECOCRATED. But you're right, this stuff doesn't smell like crap. That smells the way I was expecting the first box to smell like. Nothing bad. It was so unpleasant. As soon as I opened the box on our bed and I had a whiff of that nastiness, I was so turned off. Because that's just how I am. I'm really bad when it comes to stuff like that. I'm very sensitive. I will toss my cookies.
The only thing is, they don't give you enough greenery.
No. The last time we got that long thing you put on the windowsill.
I used to make stuff like this. real pine cones and real stuff.
Oh.
Used to make great blankets.
Yeah.
Used to make great blankets and wreaths.
Grave blanket?
Yeah.
Like for burying somebody?
No, it's kind of like a decoration for a grave in the winter, and you just put it on there.
Oh.
It's like it's a rectangle piece of foam that you get at the craft store, and you just stick, these pine things in it, and it represents like a blanket. I guess it's symbolic. I guess you put it on the thing, which maybe we should do. For our, if we could ever find that other headstone. All these people think they can.
Even in the rest of the cemetery, there was like no flowers for anyone.
Yeah. Well, I think part of the problem is that the church changed names. It used to be a Methodist church. That's why I'm a Methodist. Because I was baptized there. Now it's a Reformed church. So everyone that probably used to go there doesn't go there anymore. So
So they're probably property.
so all those graves are probably. But I guess there's a couple new people in there.
Yeah, bumper?
I was
Yeah?
listening to this channel where people go missing, hikers go missing, woods and stuff. And I realized why they tell you can't take cremated parts and scatter them in the woods. Because people found bone fragments in the woods and they thought it was the missing hiker, but it wasn't. It just ended up being cremated parts that people spread around. It's a little late for their way down.
Is there something on the back to hook it on, or you just put something,
I could put a hook.
or a nail?
Yeah, I could put a hook in